Bailey, give him a push. Push your brother and then you can ride in there. Woo! Careful. Bailey's giving your brother a ride. Is that fun, Bubba's?
What did she do?
Turn him around. Where are you, buddy? Careful. There you are. Turn him around. This way. No, it's by Mama.
My mom?
Careful. Keep turning him. There's my bud. There you are. What's up, buddy? Are you just chilling? Your sister pushing you all over the place? Bailey wants a